Here got another eBay package. This is light bulbs. I'm gonna box it now. Get the shipping labels off. Take the tape off mostly now. Hold on. Trying to get out of macro mode yet. Focus. There we go. Looks like I got what I wanted. Look at that. I'll try to get everything out. So hopefully everything works. So I just got more DEL bulbs. That's right, DEL or LED. You can say it either way. Doesn't matter. So these bulbs are not that bad. Most LEDs are very shitty. Like 80% of them are. But these are no exception in terms of being good quality. We're all over the place though. Hopefully they're not used. That would suck. Checking the color temperature. If these are all set to 2700 Kelvin or 2700 Kelvin, then they're not used. Some of these don't have as much scratches or blemishes or anything like that. So this batch hasn't been like used, I think. If they're not overdriven, they should last close to 15,000 hours, like around there. It's not precise though. It could last longer, it could not last as long. It should be lasting at least like 8,000 hours. But for most of these LED bulbs, I think that's horrendous. And look how many watts it draws. 17.5 watts and 1600 lumens. 1,000 or 1,600 lumens. It's supposed to be 1,600. You should know. Comma between the 0 and the 1. Should probably say 1,600. Looks like these aren't used. Don't see any yelling. That's a good sign. So far, so good. Paid only $35 for this. So. Some will be set to Series out to go, and it might just be shipping or something like that. None of them are heavily used, definitely though. So yeah, I think these are all good. And the camera's out of fucking focus. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Got 1200 watt equivalent bulbs using only 17.5 watts. Hopefully they'll work and be good, and if so, that'll be great. So far I had good experience with these bulbs so far. They don't flicker, unlike these. These are very shitty. I don't even notice any flickering at all in person, trust me. Like, it's only if the voltage drops in the house. That's just like when high wattage appliances turn on, but no matter what, it won't flicker. Like if there isn't anything like overpowering like the circuit or whatever. So yep, thanks for watching.